What's going on, everybody? Coming out of PA, Coatesville, PA. Had a thought. You know, your girl, wife, or your significant other, whoever that is, dog, guy on guy, whatever. Sitting there, you're watching a movie, your significant other is sleeping next to you, and all of a sudden, in the middle of the show, you start hearing, and it's so loud, you go race for the freaking remote to turn down the volume. Hopefully they don't wake up, and if they do, you hear this next to you. What the hell are you watching? The hell is that? Come up with a reason and you let me know. Until next time, guys. Gregory Kozeroff.